We need now to configure the project properties. So we go to project properties, and then we go to general properties. It's a good time to connect the Easy DSP board to your PC, and then we need to make sure that we have this connection for the XDS100 v2, that we have no file for the linker command, that we have this file for the runtime support library. Then we are going to verify the connection, so all the JTAG tests should succeed. After you click on finish, and then we need to set the processor options. So we will go to this build C55 compiler processor options, and we must change to specified memory to huge. So this is a very important step that we need to do here. Then we need to go to the advanced options, to the runtime model options, and we need to change the specified type size to hold results of pointer math to 32. So by default here is 16. We need to change that to 32, and then we are ready to build the project. So we can go here to, put this here, project properties. So on the general property, we need to choose here the Texas Instruments XDS. So we already set the C55, and this is the target, this is C5515. Now we can verify. So a lot of JTAG integrity scan tests succeeded. So it's all fine, there are no errors, so we can finish that. So now we need to go to processor options, and we need to change this specify memory model. We need to change it to huge. Then we need to go to advanced options, and we go to the runtime model options, and we need to change here specify type size to hold results of pointer math to 32. We need to make sure that we have no linker file, and we have the runtime support library. Everything is fine, so we can apply and close.